Healing doesn't mean the damage never existed. It means that damage no longer controls your life. When you win, say nothing. When you lose, say less. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Stay calm, acknowledge their feelings, and redirect the conversation. It's the best way to respond to an insulting person. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan, and what they have planned for you is not much. If the path before you is clear, you're probably on someone else's. Where your fear is, there is your task. Always remember that people will start to hate you when they realize they can no longer control you. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Everything is created twice, first in the mind and then in reality. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. No matter how bad a situation is, you just have to keep fighting. Never expect someone to catch you when you fall, even if you have caught many from falling. If you waste money, you can earn it again. If you miss the moment, it can never be returned. Invest your time wisely. Accept both compliments and criticism, because a flower to grow takes both sun and rain. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. You can't always have a good day, but you can always face a bad day with a good attitude. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Those who commit to nothing are distracted by everything. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. Be tolerant with others and strict with yourself. When a person gives you importance, but after some time suddenly starts ignoring you, it means that person is selfish. These kinds of people only remember you in their needs. The more loving you are, the more painful it feels when the other person fails to realize how much you care for them. Not everyone will make it to your future. Some people are passing through to teach you life lessons. No matter what good you do to people, they will only remember your mistakes. A woman gets naked and has sex. When a man touches her neck, letting go means to come to the realization that some people are a part of your history, but not a part of your destiny.